I'm Steve, and behind me is my gorilla backboard. Heard a noise, and then up there was a bird in this 5-inch tube. This bird got caught in there. Called my neighbor, who was a bird person, and she said, no, not going to get out. So I devised a little elevator system. No idea. You ready? Here we go. There he goes. Let's make sure nobody else is down there. There's another bird down there. Holy crap. It's twins. Sparrow number 2. There we go. And that's it. Bird Rescue 101. Maybe I'll save it this time instead of getting rid of it. All right, I hope you enjoyed my bird rescue. Hope it doesn't happen again, but as long as I'm out there and I hear him, they'll be fine. Not sure how long they could survive in there. It was probably down about 40 degrees overnight, 42, something like that. But don't know. They certainly look lively and both went pretty away. Thank you. Take care.
'Cause I'm as free as a bird.